6 minus 2 parenthesis 5 minus 3. 6 minus 2 will give us 4. Then we have 4 parenthesis 5 minus 3. Now our parenthesis 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Then we have 4 times 2. 4 times 2 will give us 8. 8 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our parentheses, which is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Then we have 6 minus 2 times 2. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, note that there is a multiplication sign in between. Now, we are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. 2 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.